Israel in prophecy. God has not rejected Israel. Romans 11 verse 1, did God reject his people? By no means. Paul, a Jew himself, emphasizes that God has not abandoned Israel. Though many Jews rejected Jesus as the Messiah, a faithful remnant continues to believe, just as in Elijah's time, Romans 11 verses 2 to 5. This shows that God's promises to Israel are not cancelled, but unfolding in stages. 2. The olive tree, Jews and Gentiles united. Romans 11 verses 17 to 24. Paul uses the metaphor of an olive tree. The natural branches represent Israel. Some were broken off due to unbelief. Gentile believers are the wild branches grafted in. This image teaches Gentiles are included by faith, not heritage. Jews can be grafted back in if they believe. Pride is dangerous. Gentiles should be humble, not arrogant toward Israel. 3. A mystery revealed, partial hardening, full restoration. Romans 11 verses 25 to 26, a partial hardening has come upon Israel until the full number of the Gentiles has come in. And in this way all Israel will be saved. Paul reveals a divine mystery. Israel's hardening is temporary. God is using this time to bring in the Gentiles. Eventually, all Israel will be saved, meaning a future spiritual revival among the Jewish people. This fulfillment is rooted in prophecy and God's covenantal faithfulness. 4. God's unchanging promise. Romans 11 verse 29, for God's gifts and his call are irrevocable. God's calling of Israel is eternal. Even though many Jews have stumbled, his mercy and plans remain. In the end, both Jew and Gentile receive mercy through Christ, Romans 11 verse 32.